everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this Christmas pink sparkle eyeshadow look that you see here on my eyes right now. And yeah, before we get into this video too much, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And when you're done with the video, don't forget to comment. Okay, let me show you how I created this look. Before I forget and get into this too much, I do have a giveaway posted on my channel right now. It was posted November 25th and you have all the way till December 24th to check that video out and do all the rules on that video. It's over $300 of retail value of makeup, so don't forget. I will have it a link in my description box. I will also put the card right here so you can check that video out, and there will be an end card at the end of this video to make it convenient for you to check out that giveaway. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with this Wet n Wild foundation, and I'm putting it on my eyelids just because I didn't have primer beside me. Then I'm going in with a Wet n Wild pressed powder. And I'm just setting my eyes with that, and then I'm going into the Too Faced Life is a Festival and using the Desert Vibes color for my transition color. And then I'm going to blend it out real quick, and then I'm going into my Revolution Tropical Paradise palette, and I'm going in with Midnight Stroll on the outer corners. Then I'm going back into the Too Faced Life is a Festival palette, and I'm using Fun in the Sun color on the inner parts of my eyelids. Then I'm going in with my LA Colors Conceal Correct highlighter, and I'm using this basically as a primer or a base for my Rainbow Life eyeshadow from the Too Faced Life is a Festival eyeshadow palette. So I'm going back into that, and I'm getting some more color, and I'm just going to go back and forth until I'm pretty much happy with the total look on my eyelids. And I'm going in with the Revolution Tropical Paradise palette because it has that cream coconut color, and I'm putting it right on my brow bone basically. Just because it got a little dark too fast. And then I'm going in with my Pacifica facial wipes, cleaning up that mess. That's why I did my eyes first, so I wouldn't make as much of a mess. Then I'm going in with my Flower eyeliner. Then back in with the Wet n Wild foundation. Back in with the Wet n Wild pressed powder. And then I forgot to show you, but I went in with the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster just to give more color to my face. Then I'm going back in with the Wet n Wild pressed powder and basically just kind of cleaning up that bronzer. I don't really know how to explain this part. And then I'm going in with the Duo Lash Glue and my Kiss lashes. And I'm going to actually apply the glue with a angled brow pencil that I just use the glue for. And then I'm putting on my lashes. And then I'm going in with a Revolution blush palette, using the corner that's like a darker peachier color, and putting that on my cheeks. And then I'm using the second highlight shade, which gives a purple pinkish look to the cheekbones. And then I'm going back in with a Revolution Tropical Paradise palette, and I'm using the brown shade just to fill in my brows. I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Instant Ready Setting Spray and setting my whole face. Then I'm going back in with the Too Faced eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that same Rainbow Life color underneath my lower lash line just to give it a smoky effect. Then I'm using my Essence Lash Princess mascara just to blend in the real lashes with the falsies, and then I'm going in with my ColourPop What's Your Sign Lippy Pencil. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, that is the end of this Christmas pink sparkle eyeshadow look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to check out that giveaway video I had posted November 25th. You have all the way up to December 24th to enter. I will be posting the announcement video of who won that giveaway the December 25th. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!